Wanna learn this cute little magic? Watch till the end and I'll show you how to sprinkle a bit of your own magic. First, record a video just like this one. We'll only be using one clip for this tutorial. Once you're done recording, open CapCut. Tap on New Project, then find your video and click Add. I've already trimmed the video to where I want it to start and end. Now for your clip, just find the part right before you're about to move your hand. That will be your starting point. As for the ending, cut it right after your hand disappears from the frame. Once you've trimmed your video, just click on Text and select Add Text. Type the word or phrase you want to appear in your eyes. Next, tap Fonts and choose the style you like. Then go to Style and pick the design that fits your vibe. Now, resize the text and position it right over your eyes. Once it's aligned, drag the white line to the end of the text overlay. Then click the diamond icon to add a keyframe. Make sure the text overlay is highlighted so the keyframe gets added to the correct layer. Once you've added the first diamond, move the video forward little by little. When you notice that your finger starts to move away from the text, pause for a moment and adjust the text to follow your finger. A new diamond will automatically be added. Keep moving the video forward, and every time your finger starts drifting away from the text, pause and adjust the text to follow it. This will automatically create a new diamond. Just repeat this process over and over until your hand and the text are no longer visible. Once your hand and the text have disappeared from the screen, click Split to cut the text overlay. Then highlight the right side and hit Delete, since you don't need that part anymore. Now, your video should look like this. Tap on Aspect Ratio and choose 9:16. Then hit the check mark. Next, click the icon beside Export at the top. Set the resolution to 1080p, frame rate to 60, and code rate to high. Once everything's set, click Export. Now, click New Project again. Then find the video you just exported. Tap on the video, then click Add to bring it into your timeline. Next, click Overlay and select Add Overlay. Find your original video, the one without the text, and click Add. If it looks smaller, just resize it to fit the screen perfectly. Click on your main clip to highlight it, then tap Duplicate. Now, select the clip on the left, find the Overlay option, and click it to move the duplicated clip to the bottom layer. While the duplicated clip is still highlighted, look for Mask, then tap on it and choose Mirror. Now, rotate the mask so it stands upright. Make sure the arrow is pointing to the left. Then resize and move the mask over these parts of your face. The right side of the mask is where the letters will enter, and the left line is where the letters will exit. Once everything looks good, tap the check mark at the bottom to confirm. And just like that, this is how your video should look now. Pretty impressive, right? I leave the choice of sound effects up to you. I'm sure you'll be able to add the perfect ones to make your video even more amazing. Now, tap on Aspect Ratio again and select 9:16, then hit the check mark. After that, click the icon at the top next to export. Set the resolution to 1080p, the frame rate to 60, and the code rate to high. Once everything's set, click Export to save your final video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you'll stay updated with my next uploads.